One TV special report.
Honorable Asipino, welcome to our certificate graduation exercise.
Congratulations once again, graduates. Pagpakalan ng usap ako mga graduates. Lagaw na mo pagpakalan ng usap ang mga bilikanan. Ako pagyumbo, pagtahod sa itong board member, parent, active po na ko nga parent before suspend board member Sevedo. Of course, our very active, smiling, so forgive me ako, very supportive mayor, Mayor Jojo Roa. Ang ato ang kapitan with all the full force ng mga konsehalis, pakpakan nato ng tanan. Kapitan Ray Ibarley and the rest of the councilors, SU-in-Chief Cheryl Samonte, our school head, Ma'am Marlene Barfilia, the school heads of Glenn District who are with us this afternoon, the teaching and non-teaching force of Mianit Central School, PTA President Brazil Nacional, our parents, guardians, ladies and gentlemen, to our graduates, maayong hapon pag-usap. My task this afternoon is not to give my own message, but akong ipaabot ninyo ang message sa ato ang DepEd Secretary. Who is our DepEd Secretary? Grade 6. Yung masakoy, balik din, bawiyon ka itong diploma. Who is our DepEd Secretary? Vice President Sara Duterte. Mauling ipadala ang mensahe ninyo in Tagalog aron sa iyong sabton. Binisaya pag yun ang uban. Para sa class 2024, buong puso ko pong binabati ang ating mga mag-aaral na nagsisipagtapos ngayon ng isang maligayang pagtatapos. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Alam mo, marami kayong pinagdaanan bago ninyo narating ang araw na ito. Hindi mabilang na gabi ng pagsusunod ng kilay, mahabang panahon na ginugol sa pag-aaral. Pagsusumikap na pumasa at matapos ang lahat ng takdang aralin upang makapagmarcha sa araw na ito. Saludo ako sa tibay ng puso at lakas na binuhos ninyo para magtapos na siya rin magbubukas ng bagong pagkakataon para lalong mapagtibay ang inyong hinaharap. Batid ko na hindi madaling abutin ang ating mga pangarap, dagdag pa rito ang mga kailangang ikonsidera tulad ng pinansyal na pangangailangan para lamang makapag-aral. Ngunit, naniniwala ako na ang pagbabago at kinabukasan ng ating bayan ay nasa kamay ninyo. Ika nga ni Dr. Jose Rizal, our youth is our... Unsay barinong kainin ni Jose Rizal para sa kabataan? Ang kabataan na pag-asa ng bayan. Very good. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap. Unsay yung mga pangarap? Kusga, sakit, kaya di na katungkan. Ha? Magpulis? Ang doktor? Wala mag-mayor din? Pataas ang kamot ang gusto mag-mayor. Pataas ang kamot. Magkapitan, hindi ka sa pag-mayor. Mag-president sa purok. Okay. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap, mga nais patunayan sa sarili at hindi maging makabuluhang mamamayan. Lagi ninyong tandaan ang inyong pagsusumikap para maging mabuting mamamayan, maging kapaki-pakinabang at kahanga-hanga ay malaking bagay para sa ating komunidad. Sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa buhay, o sa next higher level of education next year ninyo para ninyo. Grade 6, this is grade 6. Grade 7. Ingon si VP at the same time our DepEd Secretary sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa buhay. Kahit anumang pagsubok, harad ko ang inyong tagumpay. Sa ating mga minamahal na magulang, to the parents, binabati ko rin kayo at pinasasalamatan. Ang tagumpay ng inyong mga anak at mga pinupok ay tagumpay niyo rin. Sa ating mga minamahal na guro, mga guro din sa Miayan Central School, Batangas. Okay. Pangasiwa sa paralan. In this corner, maraming salamat sa walang humpay inyong pagsusumikap na magampanan ang inyong mga tungkulin sa pagbubo ng kaisipan at pagsasanay para sa ating mga mag-aaral. Usbon ko, malipayong paggraduar. Akong iampo ang padayon na paggiya sa labaw na makagagamong sa inyong mapili nga dalan sa kinabuhi. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayong maging matatag sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat na ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran. Congratulations, graduates, and good afternoon once again.
Thank you, Ma'am Lorena. To read the message toward Governor Henry Iswanginal, I am requesting Honorable Eduardo Tata Sibido. Sir?
Thank you very much, ma'am. Allow me to greet the following persons. Si Ma'am Lorena Serrano, indeed, nag-ubami sa DepEd sa Osami City na special SPED schools, and she was the principal. Iyaharap ng subukan dito. Sa PTA. Okay. I remember my words to the PTA officers and Hipo Mapupong PTA president sa Osami City Federated, and also to the parents. I'd like to give this or share this to you that sending your students to the school or to the public school is not only the responsibility of the school, but also a bigger responsibility on the part of the parents, and it is called shared responsibility. No? We share the responsibility in bringing your children here in school. Ma'am Lorena Sibahon, the Education Program Supervisor. John Christopher Cuevas, our guest speaker, sir. Sir Edwin Palma, akong ibilaan tawa sa San Roque Elementary School. Ma'am Arlene Bertilia, the principal, ma'am. Ngayong hapon. Our barangay officials, kapitan, no? Ang atong barangay kagawad, ang mga lumilihok diri sa atong barangay usab na sila would be responsible after the event. Our school administrators, North and South District, if there are other principals from the different schools, may hapon sa kaninyo. Our teachers here in Miayan Elementary Schools, the proud parents, and of course, the inspired graduates. Allow me to read the message of our governor. Allow me to quote from Kerry Washington. Your life is your adventure, and the adventure ahead of you is a journey to fulfill your own purpose and potential. Ako dakong kalipay o pribilehiyo nga akong mapaabot sa akong maliniton na pagbati o pag-congratulate sa tanan nga graduar karong 2024 na tuig. Kini mao ang panahon diin inyong ipakita ang kalampusan sa inyong tinguha sa pagkapot o pagkat-on sa edukasyon. Apan ang graduation dili lang kini mao ang pag-ila sa atong nauban sulod sa klase, kung dili usa kini naghimayan sa atong determinasyon alang sa maayo nga kaugmaon. Inyong nalatas ang mga hagit nga inyong naagian sulod sa pipila ka tuig sa inyong pag-eskwela. Pinaagi sa inyong kabugi o paningkamot, inyong makabuot kini nga kalampusan diin naghatag kaninyo og kay gayunan aron kamo mutungtong na usab sa lain nga ang sa pagkat-on o kahibalo. Gikalipay usab sa inyong pamilya, higala o magtutudlo ang inyong naangkon nga kalampusan karon. Ang atong tema karon nga kabataan Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, naghulagway kung unsa ka mahinungdanon ang mga kabatan-unan para sa paghatag sa kalambuan kaugmaon sa atong nasod. Kamo ang leader sa sunod nga henerasyon o among gilauman nga dakong kaabag aron sa pagkapot sa atong vision nga isamisnon, magpuyong malinawon, malambuon o malipayon. Busa ako kamong gidasi nga inyong puyan sa kanunay ang mga prinsipyo nga gitudlo sa inyong mga ginikanan o magtutudlo. Andala sa unahan nga inyong padulngan, siguro ngit-ngit o paliko-liko nga lisod kaayo aton. Apan pinaagi sa inyong paghago, determinasyon o paglahutay. Ako kumpiyansa nga makabot ninyo ang inyong mga damgo sa kinabuhi aron nga kamo magpuyong malambuon. To all the teachers, thank you for your tireless efforts in educating and shaping the minds of all learners. Your patience and dedication have not gone unnoticed. And I thank you for your commitment to excellence in education. As Governor, I am committed to support education and ensuring that our learners have the resources they need to succeed. I encourage everyone to continue to invest in education and to support our schools and our learners. Congratulations once again, graduates. May your aspirations be boundless, your endeavors be rewarding, and your impact be profound. Ascenso Misamis Occidental, signed Honorable Henry F. Wominar, Governor. Thank you very much. I have a
Thank you, Honorable Sadido. And now may I call on the action man of Claudine, Honorable Mayor Emeterio Jojo Taser Roa Jr. A hand of applause, please.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Habaa. Di na unta ko musulti kay nakahuman naman kong congratulate. And I know nga ang ginikanan karon excited na sa ilahang pagkaon inig-uli ninyo. Tinawari my respect to our good governor, the most hardworking governor, Governor Attorney Henry Sevilla Wominal, and of course sa atong 2nd District Representative in the person of Honorable Sergio Fernando Andrew Wominal, Vice Mayor Honorable Lisa Guaminal de los Santos. Kauban sa iyang mga SB officials ang in-present karon na atod si Honorable Regino Valentos, College Chair on Education. And of course, sa inyong nakita kaniya ang ato ang representante po din sa mga board members sa Lungsod Sarin, Honorable Eduardo Tata Cimito. Ang Salipid family, kanaan si Ma'am Lorena Serrano, Ma'am, a good friend of mine, a very smiling assistant school division superintendent. Ma'am, my respect. And of course, Ma'am Chair Samonti, si Alichip, and also Sir Edwin Palma, nga nagtanaw po sa kulay. Anyway, tanawan ninyo ang Mayor Jojo Aroa nakalaing kakaroon. And of course, our principal, Ma'am Arlene Berkilian, Ma'am. And our guest speaker, si Sir John Christopher Amir Huibas. To all barangay officials na ipanguluhan sa ato Honorable Barangay Chairperson, Honorable Ray Ibarley, kauban sa iyang konsiyo, o sa ato ang ECD Chairman sa Nasyon, o sa tanang Isnod Administrator na naatinhi from north to south, teachers of Miarin, parents, graduates, maayong hapon karatong tanan. Ganiha, pag-ingaw si Tintay Dos, ka-graduates na limpay kayo ko. Kay ganiha, 500 kapin, nga nagtingin kong tulog ka oras. Karon si Tintay Dos na limpay kayo. Kung sa atin na lang magdugayon, na lang ko i-share gamay kaninyo sa mga graduates kung ba naman ko congratulate. I would like to congratulate also sa tanang dinikanan. Mga graduates, atong papakan ang atong mga dinikanan. Nga nag-antos sila para kamo maka-eskwela. Ang pag-antos sa dinikanan dili sa'yo. Ako kining na-feel kay kaming mag-soon o bago kami mag-soon ning eskwela kami nagdungan ni sa college. Ang inyong board member before Miming Rua o Sinuringwa inikuli na mo moto o mobili ang panty ni Lorraine o ang brief ni Miming DC. Dili na yun sila makapalit o maglang sa edukasyon sa ilang mga anak. Gusto mapasalamaton kayo sa mga ginikanan na niya karon din nga mitambong province nga inyong itagaan bili ang atong mga anak na makahuman sa pag-iskwela. Inyo pong mabati karon ang atong alam ng Governor Henry Zepeda Guaminal sa iyang pagkaamahan, sa iyang pagkatatay nato sa probinsya na itagaan bili ang edukasyon. Ano pa ang Governor Henry Guaminal? Gusto mga ginikanan, isip inyong amahan sa Lungsod Sarin, salamat sa iyong pagkuki o pag-motivate sa iyong anak na makahuman sila in permirong ang sa ilang edukasyon. I also respect to the teachers of PLN Force, Ma'am, Sir, daghan kayong salamat. Patinunan ako ang mga teachers sa PLN. Ano tagaan sa dakong pagpakpak sa ilang sakripisyo. Sa mga sakripisyo ng lihiro na ang atong mga anak, ang mga graduates karon, makakasama. magkaroon sa maayong edukasyon. Ma'am, sir, salamat sa inyong pagkugi. Ingon pa si Governor, pag inyong nasulog nga kilay nga paghatag aron ato mga matag-unan makatol. Busa, usgon nato from the bottom of my heart. Congratulations, graduates, congratulations, parents, and also teachers, mayong hapon kanatong tanan.
Daghang salamat, Mayor Jojo Navas, sa maayo kayong mensahe.
It was not so long ago when I dared to dream, and not so long ago when I dared to take the first essential steps towards the fulfillment of my elementary education. Today, together with my batchmates, celebrate our success after all these years of hardships, struggle, and perseverance. We reminisce the challenges that stood before us, and we savor the victories that came upon our hands. To our distinguished guest, Sir Christopher A. Cuevas, to our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Rinaldo E. Manuel, to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Lorena Serrano, to our beloved Municipal Mayor, Honorable Emeterio D. Roa Jr., to our SDOD Chief, Ma'am Maria Cheryl T. Samonte, to our Monitoring Education Program Supervisor, Ma'am Lorena Sibahon, to our District Supervisor, Sir Edwin B. Palma, to our School Principal, Ma'am Arlene C. Bertilia, school administrators in attendance, dedicated teachers, barangay officials, General PTA officers, loving parents, visitors, and fellow graduates, a beautiful and pleasant afternoon to all of you. From the start that I went to school, I always dreamed of being the best. So, I strived hard to be on top of the class. I continue to strive hard for me to reach my goal, and that is being to be the top one of the class. I never lose hope. Rather, I was inspired to do better. And with that, I managed to be on top of the class since in my first grader until now. Now, standing here in front of everybody, have this feeling of pride and happiness because I have proven to myself that I can be the best of what I am, only if I study harder and have a sense of determination and perseverance. I am also happy because all my efforts and sacrifices were well paid off. May 30, 2024, marked in our histories that commemorates the hard work of not just the graduates, but also the teachers and parents. It is a very special day that won't be forgotten even if we leave Nilin Central School. Today, we acknowledge and give recognition to the people we've met, the lessons we've learned, the tears, the laughter, and the memories we've shared in our years as grade school pupils. For everything you take with us, there's something that we'll leave behind. This school year was filled with fun memories. It gave us good and also bad experiences. It taught us many things. A great thank you from my heart to my parents, to my loving mother, Mommy Rochelle, and to my kind-hearted father, Daddy Nerville, for all the immeasurable love, care, time, effort, and discipline you are providing and building for me. I hope I made you happy today. These medals I have today are the fruits of my labors, and I know it cannot be this best if not because of you, Mom and Dad, who are always there to guide me. Mom, Dad, daghan kaayo and preparing all the things that I need. I would also thank to my Mama Lu and cousins who are always there to encourage me and believe me that I could do things. To my Mama Pepe, thank you so much for all the years of love and care. To my advisor, Ma'am Jean, and to our dear teachers, we're forever grateful for the self-sacrifices and selfless services you have given us. The knowledge and skills you have taught us will be our armor and shield in facing the world with head up high. Thank you very much for the opportunities you have given us to develop our full potentials and abilities. To my fellow graduates, we end up one glorious chapter of our lives and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new series of struggles. But with the things we learned in Galit Central School, let's keep boldly stepping towards the fulfillment of our dreams and aspirations. Along the way, we may meet a lot of trials, but our burning desire to reach our goals will keep us from straying or giving up. Along the way, there may be uncertainties, but certain beacons of light will show us the right path to take. To our dear Galit Central School, our beloved alma mater, thank you very much for carrying us for 6 years. Now that we are leaving you, we cannot help but to carry with us the victories we have achieved. The class of 2023-2024 will leave you a legacy which will forever be etched in your history as an institution of basic education. The 72 graduates are proud to say that we have created a history and set a record of having produced talented and smart winners in academic contests. I would also like to take a moment to express gratitude to God for His blessings and guidance from our elementary school journey. It is to God's grace that we have persevered through challenges and triumphed in our accomplishments. As we move forward, may we continue to seek His guidance and strive to live out our purpose with faith and gratitude. To all the parents, for your unconditional support all throughout these years, and to our friends who walk along with us, side by side. Because of them, we were able to reach this and be more. Because of them, we can truly say, we made it. Let's clap our hands for all of them. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Thank you and mabuhay.
One TV special report.